All right, for the assignment today, guys, we start with a prompt that says, what is something that you know a lot about? So start thinking about something that you know a lot about that maybe something that you could teach somebody. So it could be a technique, could be some type of games, could be a dance, could be anything that you think that you know a lot about. Okay, and now we'll start us with a prompt for today's assignment. Then I want you guys to navigate to the Google Classroom. On Unit 1, I've assigned the Personal Innovations worksheets, quotes and summaries, and a survey. So the first thing we're going to do is open up this Personal Innovations worksheet. And it looks something like, I thought I had it open. I guess I'll open it myself. It looks something like this, okay? And what we're going to do, we're going to go through this today in class, but you guys at home, you guys can do this on your own. We're going to use group work here. So basically what it says is we're going to be innovative. We're going to basically make something up, okay? And it says technological innovation is about recognizing a problem that needs to be solved or recognizing something that needs improving and then building a tool to solve it. Now, we're not going to be building anything today. We're going to be pretending that we're going to think of something to build. As a class, we're going to see how innovative we can be, and we'll share our ideas through something called rapid prototyping. A prototype is a fancy word that means a preliminary sketch of an idea or model for something new. It's original drawing from which something real might be built or created. Key word in that sentence, might. We're not going to be really building anything except we're just coming up with ideas. So we're just brainstorming, we're just thinking, okay? So it says, and if you're at home by yourself, you're going to get to do all this by yourself. It's not that bad. If you're here in class, you're going to be in a group and we'll be doing one person each on this. The first thing you're going to do is you're going to, looking at the list of 4 interests at your table, think about how technology is impacted or related to those interests. So basically each person in a group of 4 is going to come up with one thing that they know a lot about, okay? One thing that really interests them. And we're going to record them here. And then we're going to say, how could technology improve your interest or make it better, faster, easier to use? That's where you guys, maybe in bullet point form, come up with a couple things. Think about how technology could improve it, okay? And then on the last one in this box, we're going to say, what is a problem or aspect of your interest that a creative or innovative technology might help solve or at least make better? And we'll put those right here, okay? Like I said, if you're at home, you're doing this by yourself. If you're here in class, you're going to use group work to get this done. Then, very easy worksheet. But then, as a group, we're going to nominate one idea, one of these interests. We're going to come up with one of them that you guys think would be the most interesting to everyone else in the class. And all you're going to do is you're going to sketch a rapid prototype. It doesn't have to be perfect, guys. You're going to do this digitally, sketch it digitally. So the way you're going to do it is you're going to use Paint, or you're going to use Word, or you can use something called Google Draw. If you don't know what that is, look it up. But what you're going to do is sketch a prototype, and you may have a couple words with some arrows that point to it that say what it should do or what piece it is. But you're going to try to sketch it in this box, okay? That is all you have to do for this worksheet. And then make sure, if you're using a group here in class, make sure you share it with the other people in your class, and then so everyone can go and turn this in. Also, something that you guys need to do, virtual kids, on code.org, and I'm going to exit out of this. I'm going to go to code.org, and I'm going to sign in, which I've already signed in, but let me sign out to make it easier for you guys. I'm going to sign in, and the way I sign in, I still sign in with Google. I'll click on my name, and then once you get to this page, you click on whatever class it is. And you click on Computer Science Principles. Click on Go to Unit. This is for Unit 1. And so the first thing you guys should see is a survey. If it's locked, then send me an email or something. I'm going to try to unlock it. I have to unlock it for some reason for you guys, just for this part. If it's locked, then send me an email. If it's not, click on one and take this survey. It takes like 5 minutes to take. It's easy. Make sure you read all the questions. After that, and even everyone, people that are in class are going to do the same thing. You're going to do something called quotes and summaries. You're going to click on Check for Understanding under Lesson 1. You're going to read this page right here and some of the quotes from some kids. And then you're going to scroll down here, and it says, what are your own strategies and insights about how to learn best, and how are they similar or different from the ones that you just heard about from other students? And you're going to write a paragraph A paragraph, is, guys, is 5 to 7 sentences. Make sure it's complete. Have good grammar, good punctuation. But you're going to write a paragraph about that. Let me see. Is there one other thing you guys needed to do in here, I believe? Quotes and summarize, code.org pre-survey, and the innovations worksheet. I think that's it. So once you guys get that done, you're done for the day.